Welcome back to the channel. Plants in long outdoor porch is one of the dance and most beautiful way to transforming patio balcony, front porch, rooftop and even smart yard. Whether you live in a home or an apartment, big plant give you the freedom of growing plants should smart tree hub and even vegetable without need a full gardening. We cover everything you need to know our plants in long outdoor pot, from change the right contact to plant tip and main interest idea. Why choose long plant pot? Long outdoor pouch often serve advertising all smart contact first, then hold more salt, which mean better mouse requested and held root. Plants in big pouch due out more show make theme chases to care of in the host climax. Second, long pouch allow you to grow statement plants like aluminum tree. Those plants incorrect elevate the look of any outdoor space and create a dining space gardening field. Finish long pouch are style. You can remove theme area to reference your layout. Choose second display or protective plants. Explore weather. Choose the right pouch. Before plants, select the right pouch. Pouch always come first. Choose setting that is at little 24-inch wide and deep for more shoot. Flower plants for smart tree go even big. Look classic battle during outcasted. Plants and rustic pouch are lightweight and raining remove wall. Chases pouch and add elevate but can be enhanced. Should plants are during perfect for meaning design. Allow make such to pouch and during hold without root knot plants mean during quick. Better short for long outdoor pouch. Never use plants. Gardening among it's become comfort and during root use and high quality pouch make dining for outdoor plants for even better result much. 70 platinum pouch salt, 22 Campix and original material, 10 sand or pepper durings. This much growing earphone and maturity balance everything plants or long pouch need. Select plants for long pouch. One of the big difference of long pouch in plant choose how are some excellent flower plants. Rose and herb look stream is long convenient. Short and smart tree. Boxwell oliard tree and jump weather beauty as focal point. Added pouch tropical protective hub tree and even pot give valve in big pouch. For a balanced look, follow trilling how to step by step plants. Plant in long outdoor pouch is simple if done correctly. Place in layout is broken or a smart tune even during hold loss. Add unit a pouch is about one filling. Move plants for those connect and lost the root. Plants add the some during then warm growing before. Fix area the root with salt and pass light. Water unit water flower from the button. Thank you for watching this video. This video is long pouch plants.